Hey guys, so today we will be solving this hard level SQL question. It was asked by Google. Let me read the problem statement first. So the question says, you are given a data set of actors and the films they have been involved in, including each film's release date, rating. For each actor, calculate the difference between the rating of their most recent film and their average rating across all the previous films. The average rating must exclude the most recent one. Return the list of actors along with their average lifetime rating, the rating of their most recent film, the difference between the two ratings, round the difference to the calculation to two decimal places. If an actor has only one film, return 0 for the difference and their only film rating for both the average and latest rating field. So as you can clearly see that the question statement is not very straightforward. It is slightly complex. So I'll explain this question first. So this is the table which is given to us. There is only one table. Uh, it contains actor name, film rate, film title, release date, film rating. So first let me explain the problem statement first. Okay. So the one second. So the in question we are given with a table which has actor name, film name, uh, release date, and rating. Okay, film rating. The question is saying कि we have to find out the average rating corresponding to each actors. But while calculating the average rating of that particular actor, we have to exclude the latest film's rating, and then we have to calculate the average rating. So let's say suppose uh, we have a list of Leonardo DiCaprio's films. Okay, let's say he has done F1, F2, F3 up till Fn, so on, right? And there is so it is basically these films are in the order of date. Okay, so it is D1, D2 up till DN. DN is the latest date. Okay, and the rating corresponding to these films is R1, R2 up till Rn. So the question is saying that this last film should be excluded while calculating the average rating for that particular actor. Okay, so we will calculate the average of these ratings only, and we will not include this particular film's rating in the average. Okay, and then as this is the last film of that particular actor, in the third column we have to return the last film's rating. Okay, so the output should be looking like this. First column will be the actor name, then there will be the average rating, then it will be the last rating, and then the difference between last and average. Okay, uh, we have to round it to the two decimal places. Okay, this is the result which we are going to. So basically, this is the result which the question is asking. So like there was one more thing which was mentioned in the problem statement that suppose consider a case. Let's say there is an actor A1. He has done only one film. Okay, F1, and its rating is R1. Okay, so in this case, if we will have to calculate the average and implementing the average using this method only, in which we have removed the last film's rating and then calculated the average. But for this case, as the user has as the actor has done only one film, if we will remove this film's rating, then the average will be came out to be zero, right? In this particular cases, we have to return the last film's rating as the average rating only. So for this actor, the output will be look like A1 R1 as this is the average rating is R1. Then last film's rating will be same as R1, and their difference will be zero. Okay. So this is all about the question. I hope you understood the problem statement very clearly. Uh, Now I'll write the code, then it will be much more clear. Okay, so we are given with this table. Let me write it. Start from after rating shift. Okay, first let me run this. So yeah, this is the input. Now we have to let's go step by step. We will solve this question going in a very sequential order. So the first demand of that this particular question is clearly known to us. We have to find out the last film's rating, last film of a particular actor. How we can do it? We can either use row number or a rank function. So let me use row number. Row number. In partition by clause, we will do it partition by actor name, as we have to find out the last film's rating of each particular actor. Okay, so it will be actor name. Uh, then we have to do order by. We will do release date in descending order. So let me name it as RN. Uh, Let me run this. You can see here. So for let's say this Alex Taylor, it has given uh, rank in the order of release date in descending order. Okay. So this particular film, Burning Hearts, will be the latest film of Alex Taylor, and we can get the corresponding rating from here. So this is how the first part is done. Let me include this inside a CP. This is our base table. We will use it further. Okay. So now first part is done. We have find out the uh, row number. Like we have arranged the ratings of a particular actor uh, in the order which is giving us the latest rating first. Okay. So for calculating the average, what is to be done is we have to find out all the films of that particular actor, excluding the last film. Okay, so I'll write here as average of film rating from CPE, where I'll explicitly mention that rank should be greater than 1. Why so? Because we have to calculate the average rating for all the films excluding the latest film. So it will exclude this latest film. Uh, then we will do group by 1. Okay, afternoon. Say if we'll run this, we will get this. Let me enclose this inside another CPU. Okay. Now the two things are done. Now we have like we have to find out the uh, latest film rating also. Okay. So we can simply write here as select star from CP where rank is equal to 1. Uh, we want only actor name, comma, uh, film rating. Correct. Let me run this. So here we got the last film's rating of each actor. Okay. Now there is one thing I want to explain here as like first let me include this inside also a CP and then I can explain you better. So like we have found out the average rating and we have found out the last film rating. But let's say if we will if we consider this case, let's say uh, where we have mentioned a rank greater than 1, then there will be that case will not be covered where the actor has done only one film. Okay, so the actor who has done only one film, the average isn't calculated, right? But in the CTE3, there will be the entry corresponding to each and every actor, regardless of the fact he or she has done only one film. Okay, so basically, we have to do the right join here to find out the as the question clearly mentions, uh, for the actor who has done only one film, we have to make the average rating also as the last film's rating. Okay, so we have to do the right join here. So let me do this, then I'll explain once again. Select star from CPE to A, right join CPE3B on A dot actor name is equal to B dot actor name. Correct. Now what will happen is when I'll run this, so as you can clearly see here, so this is the output. So for Alex Taylor, as there are more than one film, so it is giving us the last film rating and the average rating. Okay, but for like Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt, there is only one film. Okay, so this table CT2 hasn't calculated their average, but we have the last film's rating corresponding to these two actors. Okay, so what we can do is we can simply replace the we can simply fill the actor name here as these actor name, and for the average rating part we can simply replace this empty values as the last film's rating. How we can do it? We can do it as select actor name. Let me clearly mention here. Actor name, comma. We will do coalesce of. I hope you understand coalesce function. Basically, what it do is if it find the null value, it will replace the corresponding value with the other value which we mentioned. Right? Let's say uh, a dot. mm, First, let me name it as average rating. So it will be very much clear. As last rating. Okay. So for the average rating part, it will look for average rating. If it won't find out the average rating, then it will replace it as b dot last rating. Okay. Similarly, we can use coalesce here as, let's say there isn't an actor corresponding to these film. Oh, sorry. For these particular record, there isn't any actor coming out, right? We can simply replace it with b dot actor name. It will give the actor name from here. Then for the latest rating part, we can simply write here as b dot last rating. We have changed the name over here. Last rating, and the last column is we have to find out the difference. Okay, so we can simply write here as b dot last rating minus this part. We simply subtract the average here. Correct. Let me include this inside the bracket. Um, 1 second. So if I'll run this, what it is gonna return is, oh sorry, I think I have put more brackets than it is required. So first, 1 second. Why is the error coming here? 1 second, 1 second. My bad. What is this? The dot last rating, and there it is the difference. Okay. Uh, all right. Then we have to do order by. We can name these columns as actor name, as average rating, as last rating it is as difference. Okay, you can simply order by first column. Here we got the result. Okay, we will solve it. Let me submit it once. So it is solved. So this is how we are going to solve this question. I hope you guys understood this question. If you have any queries related to this particular question or any previous questions which was solved by me, you can feel free to comment in the section below. I'll attach the this SQL query in the comment section as well. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.